evening and welcome back to QR5 Cyber News and Information, where we are underway with Cyber Awareness Month for 2024. Around the world, everyone is leaning in and sharing great information about cybersecurity to lift awareness and resilience to improve online safety. In Australia, the Department of Home Affairs, ACSC, and the Australian Signals Directorate are leading the way with great resources and style guides for consistent messaging for the industry and educators. We have asked our intern Juneel to look at the other side of awareness, the opportunities that cybersecurity bring for career pathways. We really enjoyed your first segment, Juneel. What do you have for us today?
Thanks, Naomi. I'm learning a lot from you and QR5. In Australia and around the world, Cybersecurity Month is indeed underway, and there are some key themes and 4 steps that everyone can take to be safer online. Cybersecurity is something that affects every Aussie out there. It's not just about keeping your social media safe or protecting your latest holiday snaps, it's a national affair. This Cybersecurity Awareness Month, one of the core themes is cybersecurity is everyone's business. Cybersecurity isn't just for IT people, it's for everyone. Talk to your family, your mates, your work colleagues. Because in cyberspace, we're all in this together. Share wisdom, share experiences. It's time we made cybersecurity as common a topic as the weather or footy scores. There are 4 simple things we can do. Firstly, multi-factor authentication. Think of it as adding an extra key to your digital door. If someone hacks your password, they still can't get in without your phone or a code sent to your email. Next, keep everything up to date. Software updates aren't just about new features, they're critical patches against vulnerabilities. Imagine your OS or apps like your home security system. Would you leave your front door unlocked because you haven't updated your alarm system? Strong passwords and passphrases are very important. Make them strong, make them unique. But let's get real, we're humans, we forget. So, use passphrase. Something like "I hate washing the dishes every night." Long, memorable, and much harder for algorithms to crack. But don't use that one, as someone probably just added it to the Rocky password list for password spraying attacks. And then there's phishing. It's the dark art of the cyber world. If you get an email that's too good to be true, or makes you click out of curiosity or fear, stop. Think. Verify. Don't hand over your details to suspicious emails. Cybersecurity isn't a one-off thing, make it part of our Aussie lifestyle. This month, let's all take these steps, not just because it's Cybersecurity Awareness Month, but because it's essential for our digital lives. Secure your digital space, protect your info, and keep the conversation going. Because in Australia, we look out for each other online and off. Thanks to all the great people in Home Affairs, the Australian Signals Directorate and Australian Cybersecurity Centre who have put together a great campaign for cybersecurity awareness.